Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I made me some homemade steak fries and I had cheese on top of them, and I also cooked me like some little steak here. See, some little steak. Yes indeed. And now I had some A1 sauce all behind this bottle. I got this at Dollar Tree as well. Ah. Ooh, hold on, you guys. I gotta get my little opener. Yeah, okay, I opened it. I had got this like at a free event, and this for when you put on like your spaghetti jars or things like that, it come right open. So see, this stuff come out so slow. Here we go. So how is your day today? I hope all is well. My day is going pretty good so far. It's the second day that we had off because of this extremely cold weather and the ice. The ice is getting for me. I went out there, did a little walking today to get my vitamin D. It's just that ice. Then make it even worse. Tomorrow, which is Thursday, and till Friday afternoon, we're expecting for almost 5 inches of more snow. So I don't know how they're going to call it, but I'm going to make the decision that's best for me because I do not want to be out there in fall, you guys. So other than that, let's get started with prayer. Amen. And I also had me some Diet Coke on deck. I got this from Dollar Tree as well. I'm the only one that drinks Diet Coke. Good. Okay. So let's dip our little steaky in our A1 sauce. Hope y'all can see my plate. Here's my little steak over here. And it's my homemade fries over here. And I put cheese on them. Mm. And that cheese on them. I had got these potatoes. The little small potatoes. Like you put in soups and stuff. And I just cut them in fours. And I season them with olive oil, onion powder, no salt Tonys, and a little slap your mama. And the sun is out so pretty, I tell you guys. I see a little snowbird right here in this tree. Oh, shouldn't been looking at him too hard and use the restroom. My stomach making noises. This is my first meal. Bilks is asleep. Oh, that's so good. Excuse me. Then next week supposed to be like 40-something degrees. I haven't had a steak in a long time. After this, I'm gonna go and read a little bit. I was hungry. I didn't eat anything this morning. And it wasn't like I was busy. I watched The View And then I watch a little other news. And then I watch the CBI. I ate all my food. Yes, I did. That was delicious. Drank everything. And I thank you guys for watching and sharing a part of your day, having a little dinner with me. I know my hair probably disheveled because I had my hat on. I had my hat on. I had earmuffs. I had all that stuff. So I thank you for watching, you guys, and I will be back with another video. And I thank you once again for sharing part of your day with me and having dinner with me. And I will be back later. Love you guys. Bye now.